How to be seen on YouTube. Hi, my name is Michael, and in today's video we are looking at how you can be seen and get the maximum exposure out of using your YouTube account. So we're looking at how to be seen. Now, the key thing here is making sure that when you are creating video content, you are confident, that you are speaking clearly, that you are coming across as a normal individual that wants to share their story or their knowledge. Okay, so in my videos I like to be as upbeat as possible. Now I'll be honest, if I made a video and just went, "Hi, in today's video we're going to be learning about how to be seen," it's boring. People will switch off. So you want to make sure that you have a good amount of energy and you are talking openly, calmly, and you are natural in front of the camera and you're giving good eye contact to the camera. People are going to take you seriously. So you want to make sure that when you're creating video content that you are as calm, collective, and passionate about what it is that you want to talk about. I absolutely love creating video content. I'm an actor as well as a filmmaker, so I suppose for me I've had extra training as the years have gone on and as I've adapted into becoming a filmmaker, because I originally started out as an actor. I've also done a lot of presenting work as well. So I suppose for me there is a lot more that I have learned over the years, but it does come down to the simple fact of being natural and just trying to be yourself, because most of us are passionate about something, and when we want to create video content for our businesses, we're doing it because we're passionate about what we do, whether you're an accountant, a firefighter, a solicitor, or a mechanic. If you're creating video content for your business, it's because you care about your business, you're passionate about your business. So you want to make sure that you're coming across on camera as passionate. And if you're passionate and you're natural and you just say to the camera, "I'm just going to do it today, I'm going to be really gung-ho and I'm going to address that camera the best that I can," people will see that. We are humans, we invest in people, and the great thing about social media is the fact that we do invest in people a lot more than we used to before the likes of video and the internet was about. People invest in people because we can get a feeling of how somebody is by the way they come across on a camera. Now, a lot of people like me because I am who I am. There's no other side to me. This is what you get. If you met me in person, I would be the exact same as I am on camera. And a lot of my work comes from people investing in me as a person. I don't do a lot of hard selling. In fact, I don't think I've done any selling, because I'm not someone who likes to throw my services in people's faces. I get work purely because people know that I will do the work, I will do it on the time that has been stated, and I will go over and above to make sure that it's the video that people want at the end of the process. And you know, with some jobs you win, some jobs you lose. You make sure that the client is always happy with the video that you provide them with. And that all comes down to me being a person. So a lot of my work comes from me being me. And so when you're creating video content, you want to be you. You want to be natural. And if you're trying to be someone that you're not, people on the internet are going to see through that. And you don't want that, because that will have a negative effect on you and your business. So getting people to see you on YouTube, you want to be a nice, bubbly, happy-go-lucky character. And so what you need to do is you really do need to spend a little bit of time with a camera phone or with a camera that you've got, a video camera, and just get used to being around a camera and talking to the camera to the point where it becomes second nature. So, I hope this video's helped you. If there's anything I've not covered in today's video, please drop a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because I do share a lot of videos on how you can use video for social media. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon.